Okay, good morning. Today we are going to discuss the next industrial application of robot, that is spot welding. You can see the rough diagram of a welding equipment which we utilize with the help of a robot. Here you can see two finger points with electrodes. Here we can rotate the arms. You can see the electrode movement, that is come close like this, and if we need if we require a joining between two plates, we have to place that plates in between these electrodes and apply a high current to the electrodes. When a high current applied to the electrodes, it will solidify because of the heat generated, and then we wait for some time, and after solidifies we can remove the electrodes, so we get the soldered points. Okay, I will explain one more time. If you want to weld these two plates, here we have two plates, we have to place that plates here, place one here, place two. Okay, have to weld here. Then by making the robot tip close to the plates and applying a high current, this area becomes molten because of the high temperature, and after some time it becomes solidifies, and we can remove these electrodes. So then we can see that these two plates are welded together. In spot welding, that is in discrete areas, that's why we call it as spot welding. Other type of welding is arc welding, where we have to follow a continuous or a uniform motion. Here we have a discrete points where we require the welding, we have to spot that area. Okay, so that's why the name spot welding, we used it in different industries. Coming to the advantage, it has better weld quality compared to the welding done by a human being, and we can avoid dangerous situations like during welding process, that is during welding, it's a chance of burning or high beam lights which will affect our eyes. That can be avoided if we utilize a robot to employ for welding technologies, welding purpose. Okay, so first advantage, we can get a quality welding. Second advantage, we can avoid dangerous situations where a spark is generated, high current is utilized, and high light beams which will affect our eyes. Okay. In spot welding, we require 5 to 6 degrees of freedom robots. Next, coming to the next application, that is arc welding. If we require a continuous welding point, we have to go for arc welding. If we require spot welding or discrete welding, we go for spot welding. if you require a continuous contact, you have to create a continuous contact on two plates, or to weld two plates continuously, we have to go for arc welding. And the working principle is similar, same in both cases, except that here we are using only one electrode, but in spot welding we are using two electrodes, and by applying a pressure we make that welding points. In arc welding, here you can see two plate points. Here you have to weld it continuously. Here is the welding gun. This is the electrode. There is electrical power supply, and there is some gas points. In order to avoid corrosion after welding, we use gas covering. It's type of an insulation type. Okay, it will resist corrosion after welding. You can see after welding in 2 or 3 days, the weld point become corrosive. Okay. In both cases, in spot welding and in arc welding, we have to wear special masks, or you have to wear special specs, UV protected specs, in order to avoid the dangerous situations happen, or the high light beams, to protect our eyes from light beams. Or you have to cover special dresses in order to avoid sparks from that welding area. Okay. In this case, we are applying a high electric field that will melt the contact points, and we can uniformly move the weld gun continuously over the required region that to be welded. Continuously move the required region, and we wait for some times in order to get solid phase. And after some time, we can utilize the plate that is already welded. Okay. Coming to the advantage of an arc welding, we have an improvement in weld quality, being we are avoiding humans and employing robots. Okay. And next one is there is a reduction of work time, especially when welding. We can weld in a short time interval. Okay. Then reduction of cost due to the limited use of high skilled labor. We are only utilizing robots. And the ability to work continuously. We can utilize the robot continuously. If we can change the work of a human as an operator. Improvement of working condition, that is the improvement of working conditions of humans who no longer work in high temperature and not to wear any protective mask and clothing. Okay, so that's all with the spot and the arc welding. Thank you.